Bro, you ever open your bank app and just stare like, who the hell spent all my money? Because I swear it wasn't me. And you start blaming yourself, thinking you're just bad with cash. But nah there. It's this sneaky system draining you behind your back. And it's been doing it for years without you even noticing. You think you're bad at saving money. But real talk, this whole subscription economy is built to keep you numb. They want you distracted, overwhelmed, and too tired to notice $10 disappearing. Here, 15 over there. Everything is designed to run on autopilot so you never question it. And they keep eating at your wallet without asking. We were told subscriptions make life easier. But nobody told us convenience also means you forget you're paying for it. That's literally the business model, bro. So, real talk, how many subscriptions you think you have? 3, 4? No. The average American has like 12. Can you even name half of yours? Yo, what's up guys? It's Sam here. Welcome back to Sam the Finance Channel, where smart money moves start here. And real talk. What if I told you the thing making you broke isn't rent, not even groceries, but the 7 to 15 subscriptions you forgot existed? Before we go deeper, quick disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only. I'm not your financial advisor, just your unofficial internet money coach trying to save you from sneaky money traps. And hey, if you want to stop wasting money and level up financially, hit that subscribe button. Today, we're breaking down the subscription traps that are silently draining Americans by the billions every single year, and how you can escape them step by step. So pay attention, take notes, and let's fix this together. Subscriptions always feel cheap, right? $10 a month doesn't sound like anything. But companies design prices like that on purpose so your brain thinks, hey, whatever. It's sneaky. And it works way too well. But here's the real move. Stop looking at the monthly price. Look at the yearly cost. $10 a month suddenly becomes $120, and $20 becomes $240. When you see the real number, it hits way different. And here's the wild part. Imagine if that money went into your vacation fund instead. A whole year of small charges becomes a whole plane ticket. But companies keep saying, it's cheaper than buying outright, bro. That's the trap. The long-term cost always gets you. Let's be real, free trials aren't really free. They're literally designed to make you forget you even click start. Companies know we get distracted, so they bank on that one moment you slip. That's why almost half the country forgets to cancel their trials. Yep, 48% of Americans get hit with charges they didn't even see coming. It's like stepping on a money landmine you didn't know you planted. But here's the move: set a cancel reminder the second you start a trial. Make your phone your wingman so the free trial stays actually free. When you control it, the trap loses its power instantly. Let's talk about decision overload, bro. It's not even your fault. Everything you use wants you to subscribe to something. And after a while, your brain's like a phone with 2% battery trying to keep up. And those tiny payments, yeah, they add up emotionally too. Every time your phone buzzes with a random $4.99 charge, it low-key spikes your stress without you even noticing. The worst part is how all these subscriptions blur your actual cost of living. Like, you don't feel it day to day, but at the end of the month it hits like a surprise boss battle you didn't prepare for. Bro, companies make you feel like upgrading your subscription means upgrading your life. It's like they sell you this fantasy version of yourself, better, cooler, more put together. But really, nothing in your real life actually changes except your monthly bill. A lot of subscriptions aren't about value, bro, they're about belonging. They sell you the vibe, the status, the feeling of being part of the club, even if you barely use the thing. You're basically paying monthly rent for. Subscriptions trick you into thinking the things you want are things you need. They make every desire feel urgent, important, like you're missing out if you don't subscribe. But at the end of the day, it's just your identity getting hijacked by stuff that doesn't push your life forward. Alright bro, let's kick this off with the 10-minute total subscription check. Basically, you're gonna pull up your bank app, scroll through your charges, and be brutally honest for once. You'll be shocked how many subscriptions you forgot even existed. Next up, hit every subscription with a monthly value score. Keep it or kill it. Ask yourself, did this thing actually improve my life this month? If the answer is no, then bro, it's time to let it go. And finally, try the 30-day trial detox. No new subscriptions for a whole month. Zero, nada, nothing. You'll be surprised how quickly your brain stops craving stuff you never needed in the first place. Alright bro, not all subscriptions are evil. Some actually pay you back if you use them right. Think cashback apps, learning tools, or anything that literally gives you more than you spend. Then you got skill-based subscriptions. Bro, these are the ones that level you up in real life. Not just in your imagination. If it makes you smarter, sharper, or better at your craft, that's AW. And the best ones, income boosting subscriptions. Anything that helps you make money. Not just spend it. That's the real cheat code. If it grows your income, bro. It's not an expense. It's an investment. Alright fellas, this is where everything flips. Going from automatic spending to conscious spending is like switching off autopilot and actually grabbing the controls of your own wallet. Once you realize where your money's leaking, you start choosing instead of drifting. And trust me, being aware instantly makes you feel 10 times more powerful. Building a subscription-free identity isn't about being cheap. It's about being intentional. You start realizing that half the stuff you paid for isn't even part of who you are. And once you detach from all that noise, you feel lighter, sharper, and way more in control of your actual life. And here's the last move, bro. Replace temptation with long-term vision. When you start seeing the future version of you, the one that's stacked, calm, and actually free, suddenly those random subscriptions stop looking fun and start looking like roadblocks. You're not losing comfort, you're gaining direction. Alright guys, today we broke down how subscription traps slowly drain your money, why companies want you to stay unaware, and how you can finally take your financial power back. You're not broke because you're bad with money. You're broke because your cash has been quietly leaking out. Now you know exactly how to stop it. If this video helped you, hit that like button, smash subscribe, and share this with that one friend who's always saying they're broke, but never checks their subscriptions. And drop a comment below. What's one subscription you're canceling today? Let's talk about it. This is Sam from Sam the Finance Channel. Smart money moves start here. Take control, stay sharp, and I'll catch you in the next one.